Welcome to the SkyTrain system, an essential part of our transit network for over 37 years. Since its launch in 1985, the SkyTrain has seen tremendous growth, with an increase in trains, riders, and service frequency. As the years have passed, it's time to renew some of the original components that have served us since 1994. Just like repaving roads in a city, we need to upgrade the track that the SkyTrain runs on. To make this possible, our engineers and system maintenance experts plan essential preventative maintenance to keep the system safe and efficient, ensuring a smoother and more comfortable ride for all our passengers with minimal disruptions. Over at Gateway Station in Surrey, we have just replaced 2 switches and a rail expansion shunt as part of our switch machine and turnout replacement program. These essential route switching components allow trains to be routed to different tracks, ensuring a flexible and efficient transit system. The maintenance works covers a wide range of tasks. Skilled crews repair the concrete and replace rail with fastening hardware on the guideway, which over time becomes worn by passing trains. This work involves coring the concrete and replacing the rail anchoring bolts. This replacement process requires a specialized compound that cures at specific temperatures over a period of time. As a result, this work is carried out during the summer months, as it requires dry and warm weather so that the engineered material cures at the correct specifications. Precision timetables are key in this work, with a set millimeter level accuracy required when installing and aligning track work. It's a physically demanding job, with crews often working in difficult positions for extended periods. The work also involves handling heavy components, like the tracks themselves, which weigh over 52 kilograms per meter. For component removal and replacement, a crane is needed. Lifting and installing the track components from the staging area on the ground takes careful coordination, particularly while trains are running on the opposite track at the same time to keep Surrey customers moving. As our trains head to Waterfront and King George on the one open track, the rails are being maneuvered within just a meter of routing or passing trains. As SkyTrain, we are committed to ensuring the safety, reliability, and comfort of our transit system. Guideway preventative maintenance and component replacement work is a crucial part of our ongoing efforts to provide a reliable and sustainable transportation solution for Metro Vancouver and to prepare us for our future expansion. Thank you for your patience as we complete these essential maintenance works.